Watch your mouth, you ain't ready for this call, you ain't ready for this call, nah.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be transforming this wig from this to this. That took a minute, but to this. Yeah, so I just wanted to revamp this wig, so I thought I might as bloody well. So first off, I start by sectioning the hair. Clearly, as I always say, I'm not a hair person, so I'm not really good at sectioning hair, so this is my interpretation of hair sectioning. I just section this hair to the best of my abilities and just straighten it because it was really tangled. The last time I wore this hair was February time around Valentine's Day, and I just threw it in a box and never wore it again because I just hated it as a frontal. It just didn't look nice on me. It just felt not that nice. But ever since I cut it, I've been obsessed with this wig. I can wear it anywhere, anytime, uni, lecture, whatever. I just love it. So I just straighten this hair. I think everyone knows how to straighten hair. If you want to learn how to straighten hair, I think you should go to another channel to do that because I am not the one. I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning when I first got this hair in February, it was actually shedding a lot, and I think it's because I low-key, let me not lie, I wanted to buy the cheapest 613 hair as possible, so I bought a really cheap one, and then obviously dyeing the hair didn't really help, so it was shedding quite a bit. But for some reason, after I washed it and straightened it, it hasn't really tangled, like it hasn't really shedded. So now I'm gonna just be putting the wig on my head just to see where I want the parting. I was low-key contemplating. Oh, can you see that hairbrush? Like, can you see all that shedding? It was way worse before, but that wasn't that bad. Anyways, I was contemplating whether I wanted to actually cut the hair because my friends were telling me they liked it this way, but I really didn't. Like, I wasn't feeling it. So what I did was just got the frontal back onto the wig headstand and just parted the amount of hair I wanted in the front. I didn't want my hair too thick, so I made it wispy. So I didn't section too many out, and obviously because it's a closure, it was hard to get it like bunched up. It was quite separated, so I just straightened it together, and that's the result you're seeing. I then twist the hair because I just saw this method on YouTube to help cut the hair, and then I just cut it. I think the way I cut it was really bad because it made it really blunt and kind of hard to, like, it didn't look that natural in the beginning. And then obviously with fringe, I just cut them side parts. I then put it back on my head because I wanted to see how it was looking so far. I didn't want to cut off too much. Like, obviously I know that wasn't cut a lot, but I still do want to cut off too much. So I started cutting on my face to see how it would turn out. That was a big mistake, but you live and you learn. Like, my clothes got really messy. I got hair in my eye, got hair on my lip gloss, and I was deep in my life, and I was deep in what I've done and how much money I've just wasted. Now looking at this, I just want to laugh at myself. Like, you're actually allowed to laugh at me. In that moment, I wasn't laughing though. This was really, really, really stressful. I really wanted it to come out nice because I've cut one of my hairs before, and that came out beautiful. But look at this. Look at this. The mistake I made was I was meant to cut it up, but I honestly didn't, and I don't know why.
Wait till you see the. No.
I put the wig back on the wig stand and I just try to cut it properly. Like, this was my second time ever cutting, so please don't judge. Like, I was honestly doing trial and error myself. I just started straightening the sideburns and I was straightening the fringe to give it that like that bounce look because I like that look. I didn't want it flat. And then I put it back on my head. I didn't realize while I was filming that one side was like a bit longer than the other, but I still like the look. Like, I cut it later on, but it still looked cute. And I was just thinking about what styles I could actually do with this kind of wig. Like, I was just contemplating my life. At this point of the process, I was just fixing everything, like all the errors, all the little hairs that wasn't right. I was making, not layering the hair, but like in terms of the front, I was like layering the front to give it that like effect of, you know, did you see how long it is? Did you see how long it is? And this was low-key the final result. Like, I loved it. I actually loved it. But I just had to find some hairstyles or just hair things I could do with this look, and here are a couple. So I know this video wasn't that long or that in depth, but I really hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.